Be your own best beautiful.
All right, beauties. You saw the little overview, so I'm gonna go through my room. It is very girly and very feminine, but I also have a lot of like positive affirmation and stuff like that. I have my little painting that I did with my sister. I have some artwork from Caleb. So we'll go through everything. I keep the majority of all of my makeup and everything in these two dressers from Walmart, and then this little shelf is like an IKEA dupe from Walmart. Much more affordable. So on top of this little dresser, I keep all of my fragrances. And then this drawer right here is all of my skincare, and then sun care, body care, skincare. Yeah, so that is a skincare drawer. I have like my everyday stuff in my vanity. I'll show you guys that as we get to it. Next up is my foundation drawer. I have foundations, and then I have concealers. I have powders, and then this is just primers and sprays, a couple of toners. This drawer I need to do something with or try to make some more room, like maybe move my skincare or something like that, because clearly we're getting overrun. Do I need this many? Actually, yes. I literally go from light to like light medium to tan throughout the year. And then sometimes I prefer something a little bit more luminous, a little bit more sheer, and then sometimes I like something slightly more matte, or maybe, you know, a little bit more full coverage. So I do use 90% of these, and then I go through primers and sprays pretty quickly. Next up, also I'm very sick, so I'm sorry, and I do apologize about my voice and or my fat ass taking deep breaths. Next up, this is my blush drawer. I have a bunch of new product back here from Miss Kate. I also have some more products here that I have not tested out yet, so those will be coming soon in videos. And then I have basically like powder blushes. I'm going to be putting all of my blushes here that Kate sent me. Hopefully they'll all fit. Let me know how you guys store them. I'll show you how many I have. And then blush palettes. And then these are all like cream blush, liquid blush, stuff like that. And then a couple smaller palettes. Next up is my bronzer drawer. I have a couple new goodies from Miss Kate, and then I have a couple of palettes here, some palettes back here. One random liquid one, but I do have the blush ones to put in here too. And then these are all powders, these are all creams, my contour stick, and then these are all powders as well. And then moving down to the last drawer, this is my highlighter drawer. It could probably also be worked on. Like, I don't really need this. It's more so for obviously lip products, so I may put this in my blush drawer and put some blushes in it. I don't know, you'll help mama out. But again, I kind of organize it by like powders and then like liquids and stuff like that, and then we have more powders and then my palettes. All of the pictures that are up here, actually a friend of mine gifted me. Freaking, they're amazing and I love them so much. She also gifted me this lamp right here. I have some pictures of like my niece and my son and stuff. Next up, we'll go right here. I have this little thing. It has like little thin drawers and then a couple of larger drawers. I have my newest palette from Kate that I'm gonna be using very soon, and then just a couple of things to make it look cute and kind of, you know, aesthetically pleasing. Not that y'all see it in the background, but you know, it is what it is. And then this entire dresser is all of like when I do a package, I have like a for sale group, and then I also do mystery boxes. So I'll come over here when I sell a mystery box, I'll grab a bag. I go in this drawer. These are all my little like add-ons or like little freebie things that I add to the boxes. I have stickers, thank you cards, my own personal stickers. Be your own best beautiful. So I'll pick a bag. I'll come in here and pick a couple things, get thank you cards and stuff like that. And then you guys are gonna get to see my little drawer. This is all like skincare slash hair if someone gets a mystery box. I have a bunch of skincare also if somebody does a mystery box. And then we have like palettes and stuff like that in here. I have all like lip products, you know, brush sets, things like that in here, eyebrow products, stuff like that. And then I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes and everything as well for when I do my mystery boxes. And then anything that I get that is PR, obviously I don't sell that stuff, so this is all like giveaway stuff, random act of kindness, things like that. Next up, we'll go right here. If you know, you know, Nightmare Before Christmas is one of my all-time favorites, and I love it. I love it aesthetically. It's cute to me, in my opinion. And then we have this dresser right here. This top dresser is literally a disheveled mess. I have some paper from my Beautylish bag. I have alcohol so I can sanitize things. I have extra nail files, clippers, sponges, cotton balls, and then I also have different applicators and stuff like that in here. So this is just kind of stuff that I don't maybe use every single day, but I need, you know, to get to. And then all the rest of the drawers in this particular dresser are all palettes and eyeshadows, I guess. But we have like liquid eyeshadows, like pot shadows, loose pigments. And then I organized it. I originally bought this for my palettes. They didn't fit. So I originally asked you guys what should I do. So I basically kind of did it by size, but then also maybe by brand-ish. So these are like smaller palettes. And then these are all basically by size. Again, if you see something you want featured in my Throwback Thursday, please let me know. I also have a few palettes that I haven't tested yet, which I'm really excited about. And then we have some more palettes in here. My newest ones that Kate sent me. I'm so excited about those. And my favorite Nomad Cosmetics palette of all time. Yeah, and I also picked up a couple of these Colored Rain palettes. I have not tried these yet. I'm so excited to do so. And then in this one right here, I have all of like my larger palettes, ones that are a little bit more kind of big and cumbersome, and or my newer palettes that Kate gifted me that I am waiting to use. So that's everything in that little dresser. Then I have, again, just some positive affirmation. I love that saying, I love you to the moon and back. That is a little artwork that I did. That's a little butterfly Kate sent me. We have some of Caleb's artwork. And then in here I have more like Halloween type stuff. And then stuff that I'm holding for friends to put back for like gifts and things like that. And then my closet, the mirror. And then my vanity. Brett made this top for me. He also made the risers to make it a little bit taller for me as well. And these little 5-drawer things are from Michael's. They were quite affordable. And then up here, basically I have my headbands. I always keep towels up here. This is jewelry and stuff like that, earrings that I like to wear for filming. And I have brow gels and stuff here. I have all of my eye bases here. This is all brow products, and then I use my lighter shape tape for like cutting out the brows. We have mascaras that are open. These are unused mascaras. And then this is just like tools, tweezers, applicators, stuff like that. And I like, let me see if I can get there. I like how these are like marble-esque, and then I also got marble little brush holders from Amazon. They're incredibly heavy and really, really well made. So that's where the magic happens, so to speak. And then brushes. This is all like lip treatments, lip masks, things like that. And then I have glosses, red lipsticks, pinks, and then so on and so forth. That's all lip product. I have some alcohol. That's not setting spray. It's alcohol that I refill consistently. I have liquid liners, and then I have, of course, applicators and stuff like that. And then all of my lip liners and eyeliners and stuff. And then this drawer is pretty much all my everyday stuff that I use every single time I film. Everyday makeup I'm wanting to test out. My empties drawer, and then all my extra mascaras and brow products. It's a little crazy. I should probably do a declutter. I probably need to do a declutter. Over here is also everyday stuff. It's everyday skincare, hair care, and then nail care and nail care. That is a little case that I got from Kate. And yeah, that's how my room looks. That is all of my stuff that I just got from Kate, all my blushes. Hopefully you can see all these. So yeah, let me know how you guys store those. This is my little basket for my shop, my stash, which I will be starting to do again. There is my massive, you can see that in comparison to my shelf, that's my massive JD Glow palette. I keep all my single shadows in that. And then up here, basically it is just positive affirmation stuff, gifts and stuff that I've gotten from you guys, from friends and family. We have hair stuff here, just some pencils and stuff like that, pens. tools to be able to open up my boxes, extra brushes, a candle that Kate sent me. Just saying. Sanitizer. I have like my smaller palettes and stuff here, and just some decor and stuff like that. I have my Odin's Eye palettes here. This is more like on my skulls. That little section is all like my little pinky section, and then I have frogs, gifts from family and friends, and then stuff from my stepfather. Yeah, and then I have an additional tripod back here, and that's basically it. That is all for sale stuff that I sell in my little group, some pictures, and my lamp. And then last, I do have this little like jewelry armoire thing. I don't have any real jewelry, but that's where I keep my nail polishes and my like costume jewelry and stuff in. So this is my room tour. I know you guys have been waiting for this for like 6 months. I do apologize. Comment down below, let me know your favorite storage ideas. What do you think? What do you think of my room? I love you, beauties. Thank you for joining me. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.